Would you live here in 2050? What if your home wasn't just a house, but alive, intelligent, and adapting to your every need? Imagine a mansion that floats, breathes, and even thinks for you, designed not for today, but for the future. Our homes today struggle with tomorrow's challenges: rising seas, climate shifts, energy shortages, and cities bursting at their seams. But imagine a home that doesn't just withstand these pressures, it adapts. A living, breathing space designed not only to survive the future, but to thrive and evolve within it. Now, let's step inside. The entrance feels less like a doorway and more like a portal to another world. Transparent glass doors unlock at the touch of your DNA, adaptive lights shift to match your mood, and a holographic AI concierge appears instantly, greeting you, guiding you, and making the home feel alive. This living room isn't just a space, it's a living experience. With a voice command, walls shift to reveal endless oceans or deep galaxies. Furniture adapts and reshapes itself to your comfort. Even the air you breathe is purified in real time with nanotech systems. Imagine unwinding here, in a room that feels alive. Step into the AI-powered kitchen of the future, where meals don't just get cooked, they prepare themselves. Robotic chef arms glide with precision, slicing, stirring, and plating gourmet dishes on demand. Counters are self-cleaning, always spotless, while a hydroponic fridge built into the very walls grows fresh greens, herbs, and even fruits year-round. No grocery trips, no food waste, just living nutrition, grown and prepared in harmony with technology. Imagine never running out of ingredients again, because your kitchen isn't just smart, it's alive. Now picture this, a bedroom built beneath the waves. Smart glass walls surround you with panoramic views of glowing coral reefs and drifting marine life, as if you're dreaming inside the ocean itself. The bed isn't ordinary, it senses your heartbeat, tracks your sleep, and adjusts its firmness and temperature instantly, wrapping you in perfect comfort. At dawn, a sunrise simulation fills the room with golden light, syncing with your body's rhythm to wake you naturally. This isn't just sleep, it's an underwater sanctuary where technology and nature create the ultimate escape. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a futuristic self-healing spa designed to transform your everyday routine into pure rejuvenation. The AI adapts mood lighting to match your emotions, filling the air with soothing aromatherapy while steam purifies every breath you take. At the center, a zero-gravity floating bath lifts you into weightlessness, allowing your body to fully relax. Nanotech-infused water works silently, regenerating your skin cell by cell. Every detail is designed to dissolve stress, heal fatigue, and restore energy. It's not hygiene, it's a daily ritual of complete renewal. The lounge bends reality itself. Imagine stepping inside where walls shift into 360 degrees holographic cinemas, surrounding you in breathtaking worlds. Seats mold perfectly to your body, adjusting comfort as if alive. The AI predicts your next movie before you even think about it, syncing visuals, sound, and even air to your mood. One moment you're watching a concert, the next you're standing on Mars. This isn't a lounge, it's your personal universe. The infinity pool of this futuristic mansion flows seamlessly into the ocean, glowing at night like liquid light suspended in the air. Beneath the surface, a hidden underwater playground adapts instantly, a safe space for children by day, and an adventurous zone for adults by night. Intelligent sensors monitor safety in real time, ensuring peace of mind. And just beyond the deck, a personal drone sports arena awaits, where games, races, and aerial shows redefine entertainment. This isn't luxury, it's living the future. Everywhere you turn, this mansion surprises you. It doesn't feel like walls and floors, it feels alive. The ground beneath your feet warms when the air is cool, and cools when the sun grows too strong. Sensor floors respond instantly, turning every step into comfort. Then, the laughter of children fills the air. Not from an ordinary playground, but an AI-powered wonderland. One moment, a climbing wall. The next, a futuristic obstacle course that reshapes itself in seconds. Safety sensors protect every move, while the system adapts to each child's age and skill. It's more than play, it's growth, designed for the future. But wait, with a whisper of your voice, the walls themselves come alive. Panels shift, doors fold, and spaces expand as if the mansion breathes with you. Need a quiet office? The walls create one. Hosting a party? The dining hall doubles in size. Craving privacy? The partitions slide shut, seamless, invisible. Everywhere you look, intelligence. Everywhere you move, adaptation. This is not just luxury. This is a vision of tomorrow. A home that evolves with you, learns from you, and becomes an extension of who you are. It is not just a house, it is a living organism. Protecting, nurturing, expanding your world. This is the future of living. And the future has already arrived. But what if your home could move, expanding itself into an entirely new floor, or shrinking to save energy when you're away? In this mansion, the impossible feels ordinary. Standing here, surrounded by endless glass, flowing water, and radiant light, you realize this isn't just a mansion, it's alive. Every wall breathes, every surface responds, every detail evolves with you. This isn't architecture, it's intelligence woven into design. A $1 billion dream home that doesn't just shelter, but protects, inspires, and grows with humanity. It adapts to climate, to emotion, to every moment of life itself. This is not luxury, this is survival, art, and technology fused together. Standing here, you don't just see the future, you are living inside it. This was just one glimpse into the homes of tomorrow. If this journey inspired you, like, share, and subscribe, because the future has only just begun.